Hey guys, I got a 2006 Honda Ridgeline. I'm going to show you how to replace this or remove this driver's side airbag. You're going to need a T30 and you're just going to stick it in here. Remove those two screws. There's one on this side. There's one on this side right there. So let's do that right now. Okay, from there we're going to just pop this out. We come down here, remove this by pulling down like that. So you pull this piece down and then you can pop this piece off. And then you're going to want to remove this piece right here by pushing that down, pushing that right there down and pulling out. And pop that out and there you got it. That's how you do it. Hopefully that helped. Thanks for watching.